In the bustling urban landscapes where the skyline is dotted with apartment buildings, space is a luxury that many can afford. However, the 48th episode of the beloved video series Cute Small Apartments, Creative Design Ideas proves that small spaces don't have to be synonymous with cramps and uncomfortable living. Instead, they can be transformed into trendy, functional, and utterly charming sanctuary that reflect the personality and needs of their inhabitants. Hi everyone, Lulu here. Welcome back to our cozy corner of creativity and charm. In episode 48 of Cute Small Apartment Creative Design Ideas, we dive into the art of maximizing minimal spaces without sacrificing style. But before that, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell to keep up with all our latest videos. Let's transform your space into a charming heaven, no matter the size. This apartment is a chic and modern space that maximizes its compact area through smart design. It features a cozy open floor plan that seamlessly integrates the living dining area with the kitchen. The living space is furnished with a navy blue sofa accented with light-colored cushions, complemented by two round wooden tables that serve both functional and decorative purpose. Large windows invite ample natural light, softened by elegant curtains, which contribute to the warm and inviting atmosphere. The kitchen boasts dark and its positions conveniently next to a round dining table surrounded by 4 chairs, perfect for intimate meals and social gatherings. The entire space is tied together with a herringbone pattern wooden floor, adding textures and a modern touch to the apartment. Overhead, a unique white chandelier with multiple branches offers an artistic statement piece that doubles as a source of light. This image depicts a delightful small apartment that exudes charm through its use of color and modern furnishings. The space is defined by a comfortable green sofa, a small wooden coffee table, a charming red armchair, and a small floor-standing shelving system, creating an inviting atmosphere. The dining area is stylishly appointed with a rectangular table and 4 chairs under 2 industrial-style pendant lamps. The hardwood floor patterns bring warmth to the apartment. The kitchen has a green tiled backsplash, green and white cabinets, and white countertop. Overall, the apartment's design cleverly combines functionality with a sense of fun and relaxation, making the most of the tiny open space. The apartment in the image is a charming and compact space that maximizes its small footprint through smart design. It features large windows and a glass door flood the space with light, enhancing the sense of openness. A cozy soft brown sofa with cushions, a black coffee table with a vase and books, and a pattern rack create a welcoming sitting area. A round dining table with 4 chairs is set under stylish pendant lights, perfect for intimate meals. A tall green plant brings a refreshing natural element into the home. Visible to the right, the kitchen boasts sleek wooden cabinetry and modern appliances. The glass door opens to a patio, suggesting an extension of the living space outdoors. The overall design uses modern furniture and decor to create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere within a small open-plan layout. Let's step now into a small apartment with modern open space design that's both bright and inviting. Here's a brief description. Living area. A cozy spot with a plush red sofa, perfect for relaxation. The sofa is complemented by a white coffee table and surrounded by potted plants that add a touch of greenery. Dining area. It's defined by a round table with modern white chairs featuring orange cushions, creating a vibrant dining experience. Large windows allow natural light to pour in, enhancing the airy feel, while white curtains offer the option to control the brightness. Sleek and shiny white flooring reflecting the light and contributing to the overall modern aesthetic. The combination of the red, blue and orange accent against the neutral backdrop makes the space feel lovely and welcoming. It's a great use of color to create a warm, modern, inviting environment. The last presented apartment has a small modern open space that is well lit and stylishly decorated. It features an open floor plan with a living area seamlessly connected to the kitchen dining area. The living area includes a plush green sofa, a matching ottoman, a small side table and a small square coffee table. The kitchen boasts modern appliances integrated into sleek cabinetry. A unique decorative lighting fixture adds an artistic touch, while a potted plant brings a refreshing atmosphere to the space. Overall, it's a cozy and inviting environment with a minimalist aesthetic. As we wrap up our tour of this charming small apartment, we hope you found inspiration for your own space. Remember, creativity knows no bounds, especially when it comes to designing a home you love. As I said on our website, How to Build a House, I quote, as the episode concludes, viewers are left with a wealth of knowledge and motivation to tackle their own space challenges. The series Cute Small Apartment Creative Design Idea is more than just a guide to apartment design. It's a source of inspiration that empowers viewers to see the potential in their tiny living spaces. Thank you for watching part 48 of Cute Small Apartments Creative Design Ideas. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative design solutions. Until next time, keep making your home uniquely yours. Bye for now.